there. You want a treat? You want a teaser? If you guys make like Eggo waffles or whatever, what do you put on them? Because I switch it up. I either put butter, just butter, or I put Nutella on. If I have a sweet tooth, I'll put Nutella on my waffles, but lately, butter. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a little vlog, morning in my life kind of video. I just popped this pimple this morning, so it's really red. But I'm about to brush my teeth and get ready for the day because I want to go to Starbucks to get an iced chai with sugar cookie cold foam on top. It's so good. I'm gonna brush my teeth, get ready, and then we will go. Okay, I really want to film like a new makeup video, like maybe a get ready with me or something like that, but I have like no makeup right now, so I definitely need to like go buy new products, and maybe I'll do the get ready with me using new stuff, because I just use concealer right now. This concealer is good, but I probably maybe I'll repurchase it, maybe not, I don't really know, but yeah. I literally load up the bronzer on my face because I'm so ghosty. Like, look at me. I'm literally a ghost right now. I'm pretty sure it's just this lighting. Hopefully. Ow. Tried and true. Lash Paradise. The hair is poofy. Okay, I'm gonna come back when my hair is curled. So I'll be back when my hair is curled. Okay, my hair is done. It's very, very like almost crimpy today. Yeah, so my hair's done. Okay, now I gotta get dressed and then we are going to Starbucks. Okay, I'm about to head out to go get Starbucks to get my iced chai, which I'm so excited for. But really quickly, I wanted to talk about Ritual's new product, Synbiotic Plus. Synbiotic Plus is a prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic to support a balanced gut. It is a 1 daily capsule for simple, streamlined gut health, and Ritual products are shelf stable, so don't have to worry about it getting lost in the back of your fridge. With any supplement, consistency is key, so just take 1 daily, keep it next to your other supplements or wherever you get ready, maybe where you brush your teeth in the morning. I love Ritual products. I've been using them for months as I eat things like Eggo waffles for breakfast, or I get Starbucks. Sometimes I need a little extra gut support, and Synbiotic Plus does just that for me. And I love Ritual because of their clean formula. They're vegan friendly and formulated without GMOs, major allergens, animal products, or artificial colors. So that is what they look like. They also, something else I really like is that they have like a mint essence to them, which is so nice because most like vitamins or supplements kind of have a funky smell or taste, but these do not. You guys can get 20% off of your first month if you use my code OliviaM20. I'll have it on the screen along with down below. Just click the link, get your first month of your Synbiotic Plus, and have a happy gut. Okay, now let's head to Starbucks because that is what my gut is wanting right now. A grande iced chai with the sugar cookie cold foam on it. We got the goods. It's so good. Literally tastes like Christmas in a cup. I don't even know if I got the last clip of my drink, but it is so good. I haven't drank a lot. But my SD card ran out, so I ran into Target and bought an SD card, which literally just had to destroy the packaging because they're impossible to open. So I went in there to Target to get an SD card. Did I leave with just an SD card? No, I didn't. So I'm gonna give you a little Target haul. I couldn't film in there because, like I said, SD card was out of storage, but that's okay. We got a brand new big 256 gigabyte one. So first of all, got this cute little Santa jar for our coffee beans on our little coffee shelf. And then I bought this garland for the entryway. It just is like, has little fairies on it or whatever. I don't know what it's called. Got a few like trees, Christmas trees in the dollar section. These are so cute. I got this one, this medium-sized one. They're all a little bit different, and then this little baby one to put somewhere because they're cute and they're all the same color, but I just think that's so cute. And then I got this one because I also think it's just so pretty, and it was like only $5. How pretty is that? And it lights up. Once, I guess you pull the little tab and then it'll light up. I guess I could pull it. You can see what it looks like. Cute. It's like literally so bright out that you cannot even see it. That's so cute. I probably won't even turn it on that often, but how pretty. My itty bitty little mini Target haul cannot go without getting Christmas stuff during this time of year, but this drink is literally so good. Go home and set up some of the Christmas stuff I got, and then I'm probably gonna start editing this video. So I will see you when we get home. This literally looks so cute with the little Santa holding the beans. I want to get some maybe like Christmas coffee mugs to finish it off, but how cute! Okay, this definitely needs like more. I'll definitely add more, but this is as good as it is right now. That's exactly what I wanted, was just a little bit of garland. It's sort of hard to like get perfect, but that's cute. That added just enough. Now I need a little Christmassy pillows for in here, and I think it will look so cute. There's our little stocking. Bradley, me, and Oakley. Okay, I am done setting up the stuff I bought from Target. It's so cute. I need quite a bit still of Christmas stuff, but I'm just collecting as I go along. But I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you like this kind of style of vlog more than my regular. It's like the same kind of vlog, but different kind of style of filming and editing. So let me know if you liked it. I felt like, I don't know, I wanted to try something new. I got inspired on TikTok actually. I saw little mini vlogs filmed like this on TikTok though, and I liked them, so I wanted to try it here. But I'm gonna finish my chai, start editing this video, straighten up the house, probably eat some lunch. And yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.